Nau mai koutou, Kor ARCHIE toku ingoa. My name is Archie.
And what are today, WINTON School? Kor OWEN ahau. I am Owen. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 18th of May.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is kino, which is te reo for awesome.
As in, kino ke koutou hor-a. You are awesome, my friend.
Kia ora, koe hor-a. Thanks, mate. That's kino, which is awesome.
Ka pai. Health and safety. Hi VIZ VESTS. Everyone must be wearing them to and from school. Kia ora.
Matterhorn news. Ka pai koutou. Everyone seems to be sharing the air and using their manners on the way down.
Rippa Rugby Y6 training today over the road at 12:45. Kia ora.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
On to whānau puka.
That's te reo for library, which will be open today from 12:45 for returns, browsing and issues.
Also on at lunchtime is the PALS. Check the library windows for times and location.
I think it's room 6 and 7, but check the roster on the library window, koutou.
No birthdays at WINTON School today, but heaps of famous people were born on this day.
Malcolm X, Ferdinand Magellan, and Andre the Giant, and Ho Chi Minh.
And check this out, 480 years ago, Anna Boleyn got the chop from King Henry VIII.
Ouch! That's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo. See you tomorrow.
Hor-a and stay sharp, WINTON School.